Are you a foreign national or citizen who wants to reside in the Philippines? But you are not 50 years old or older, so you won't qualify for the Special Resident Retirees Visa or SRRV, and you are not married to a Filipino citizen or a former natural-born Filipino citizen, so you won't qualify for a 13A visa or 13G visa. Does it mean that you cannot become a permanent resident in the Philippines? Why don't you take a look at the SIRV, the Special Investor Resident Visa? If you are a foreign citizen looking to start or do business in the Philippines, then the SIRV is something that you should definitely look into. Let's talk about that right after this. Hello everyone, kumusta po kayo? I hope that you are all doing good. I am happy that I am able to make videos again after a short break. I have been making videos for over a year now and it has become a part of me already. And I miss doing it. At maraming salamat po at nandyan pa rin po kayo na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel na to. And if you are new to this channel and you think that this channel can be of help in providing you with useful and relevant information, please feel free to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell icon so that you will get notified of our future videos. Maraming salamat po. The Special Investors Resident Visa or SIRV is for foreign nationals who desire to reside and invest in the Philippines. It is a special non-immigrant visa that enables its holder to reside in the Philippines indefinitely and to have multiple entry and exit privileges, provided that the foreign citizen meets all the requirements in terms of investments and qualifications. This special visa is issued by the Bureau of Immigration upon the endorsement from the Board of Investments or BOI. Just like in the SRRV or the Special Resident Retirees Visa, the holder of the SIRV enjoys the exemption from the exit clearance and the re-entry requirements of the Bureau of Immigration and from the Alien Certificate of Registration. The SIRV holder may also import old household goods and personal effects tax-free and duty-free as an alien coming to settle in the Philippines for the first time. For you to qualify for SIRV, you must be at least 21 years old with no criminal record, with no contagious disease, without a record of being hospitalized in a health facility for having a mental disorder, and with proof of having at least $75,000 that you can freely access and use. Under the same investment amount that I will discuss, you will also be able to bring with you your family to reside in the Philippines if you desire. Your spouse and your dependent children who are under the age of 21 and unmarried can join you. The main feature of the SIRV is the requirement that you must invest a minimum of $75,000 in a business in the Philippines. But take note that it cannot just be in any business or company. It must be one in an industry that has been pre-approved by the Board of Investments. It can be existing, new, or a proposed corporation, and these corporations must be publicly listed and must be engaged either in the areas listed in the BOI's Investment Priorities Plan or in the manufacturing and services sectors. Well, you can choose from a wide range of approved industries, which are the following: business and financial services, communication services, construction and engineering services, distribution services, education services, environmental services, health and social services, tourism and travel-related services, recreational, cultural and sporting services, and transport services. In other words, you will have to invest in acquiring shares of stocks in the domestic companies that belong to any of those industries. Take note, however, that you cannot invest in owning shares of stocks in companies that do wholesale trading or sell condominiums. Also, Investment in real estate or in partnerships is not permitted. If you are interested to apply for SIRV, you can obtain a copy of the application form from any Philippine Foreign Service Post or from the one-stop SIRV center of the BOI. I will post the address here. The application may be filed at the Philippine Embassy or Consulate in your home country or place of residence, or if there is none, at the embassy or consulate that is nearest to your location. If you are already in the Philippines, you can file it at the one-stop SIRV center of the BOI. Allow me to enumerate the documents that are required for SIRV application. They are as follows: duly accomplished and notarized application form with recent photographs, accomplished personal history statement form, police clearance issued abroad translated into English and apostilled or duly authenticated by Philippine Embassy or Consulate, or clearance from the Interpol Division of the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI issued in the Philippines, valid for 6 months. Medical certificate authenticated by the Philippine Department of Health, any government hospital or health facility, or any licensed and accredited hospital or health facility in the applicant's home country, certifying that the applicant is physically fit, valid for 6 months. Medical certificates coming from the other countries must either be apostilled or duly authenticated by the Philippine Embassy or Consulate. Proof of inward remittance from the head office of either the Development Bank of the Philippines or the Land Bank of the Philippines. Certified true copy of the Certificate of Peso Time Deposit with a maturity period of at least 30 days. Birth certificate, which must be apostilled or duly authenticated by the Philippine Embassy or Consulate. Marriage contract, if applicable, which must also be apostilled or duly authenticated by the Philippine Embassy or Consulate. Original passport of the applicant. The application fee of $300 or its equivalent in local currency for the principal applicant, and another $300 for each dependent. And the Bureau of Immigration fee of 10,110 pesos. So as part of the requirements, you will need to deposit by way of inward remittance at least $75,000 into a peso time deposit with a minimum maturity period of 30 days and a maximum maturity period of 180 days with an accredited depository bank, which can be the Development Bank of the Philippines or the Land Bank of the Philippines. If everything goes well and your application gets approved, you will be issued a probationary SIRV that will be valid for 180 days or 6 months. You will then be given 180 days from the date of the issuance of your probationary SIRV to convert such deposit into an investment in an eligible domestic enterprise and to report such investment to the Board of Investments. The probationary SIRV can be converted into an indefinite SIRV only once you shall have submitted all the required documents to the BOI to prove your actual investments. It means that there shall be another set of documentary requirements for that. I hope that you have learned something from this video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please don't forget to do so and to hit that notification bell icon so that you will get notified of our future videos. Always remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. I will see you in my next video. Ingat po kayo.